I'm that woman who climbed the mountain of life, removing stones and planting flowers. Once upon a time, in a house on a bridge, there was a little girl named Cora, who knew she was a poet. Her family did not think so. They did not want her to read books, and they did not want to send her to high school. They thought her job was to find a good husband and raise a family. When she grew up, Cora fell in love with a man and they got married. She moved with him to the big city and they had 4 children. She worked and all sorts of jobs to make sure her children could go to the school. Cora had a busy life, but she never forgot she was a poet. She wrote every single day. When she was 60 years old, she moved back to the house on the bridge. She decided it was time to start her career as a poet. Cora still needed money, so she baked cakes to sell on her doorstep along with her poems. Cora's poems started to be appreciated by other poets and writers. She won prizes and medals, and when she was 75 years old, she published her very first book. Journalists came from all over the country to interview her while she was baking. And when they left, she sat back down at her desk and started to write again, surrounded by the delicious smell of peace cookies and a cake.